In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some basic intermission and starting soon scenes for your live stream. Even if you have zero experience in creating this sort of thing, I'll show you how to create a visually appealing scene just by using the tools from OBS, so let's get into the video. So on the furthest bottom left of the screen, you will see the Scenes tab, and here is where you'll create your various intermissions and starting soon screens. Click on the plus icon in the bottom left to create a new scene, and here you will want to create two separate scenes and name one intermission and the other starting soon. From this point, you'll have two extra scenes that you can do whatever you like with. If you want to just add some simple text, then you can do that by going into sources and selecting text. If you want to add a nice background image, then you can go into sources and select image. If you wanted to add a GIF or an animation, then you would add that by pressing the plus icon once again and selecting media source and then selecting the appropriate file. One thing that I'd imagine that some of you might want to do is to have your game feed in your background of your intermission screen. You would best achieve this by going into your primary gaming scene with the game feed, right-clicking on it and selecting copy, then pasting it into your intermission scene. Alternatively, you can just simply click on the sources and do Ctrl-C, then Ctrl-V into the intermission scene. Now, you simply want to resize it if you want. Finally, I would like to talk about the studio mode in this context. I'm not going to go too much in depth because I've already explained it in a previous lesson, but having studio mode in this instance can be incredibly useful. You can just set up the scene that you want to transition to, and when you're ready, you can press the button and OBS will transition it. Utilizing this here is incredibly useful, as it gives you more of a bird's eye view when it comes to looking at your scenes, and makes transitioning between them way more comfortable than doing so in just the normal scenes tab. Hey, I hope this video helped you. This video was a short clip from my course on OBS, so if you're new to the software, I'd highly recommend checking it out, as it goes into details over many things discussed in this video, as well as some other things such as the interface, the settings, and a lot more. The links to the courses are in the description, so if you decide to check it out, then I greatly thank you. See you across the internet.